Hey guys, welcome to Education for You and welcome to the part 2 of Best 1000 MCQ series Indian Geography. Already part 1 we have uploaded, and if you haven't checked till now, please check it, and you will get the link below in the description box. Okay, so let's start today's class. Here also we'll discuss total 100 MCQs. So this will be part 2. I hope it will help you out in any kind of competitive exams where geography is mandatory. So question number 1 is largest southernmost single island in India. Okay. So Kuntu Island south or सबसे largest island বুলি কোৱা হয়, and it is the largest southernmost single island বুলি কোৱা হয়. Options দিয়া আছে Minisoy Island, Car Nicobar Island, Great Nicobar Island, none of these. And the correct answer is number C, Great Nicobar Island. It is the largest southernmost single island in India. The Karakoram Highway connects which of the following two countries? Options diya ase, and correct answer is number C, China and Pakistan. China and Pakistan connect kora highway to hoise Karakoram Highway. Smallest state by area, kuntu state sabse smallest state hoy? Smallest state by area in India, and with of options diya ase yate apuna correct answer is obviously number B, that is Goa. Okay, Goa is the smallest state in India. And if we see yare mati kali kiman ase Goa, and it is only 3702 square kilometer. Okay, and jodi ami sao largest state, obviously apunaloke etu jane largest hoise apunar Rajasthan, largest state, and it is 342,239 বর্গ কিলোমিটার. So কিমান difference হয় 342,239, and this is only 3,702 square kilometer. But Goa is a nice place to visit. Okay, then the two volcanic islands in the Indian territory. Indian territory duta volcanic island ki Agnegiri utponna hoa island duta. Option obviously আপোনালোকে জানে যে Barren এটা হয়, মই বহুত কেটা ক্লাছত কৈছো, APSC ত আহিছিল আপোনাৰ Barrenor হইতে আৰু কোনটো হ'ব C D যিকোনো এটা হ'ব, দুটাতে Barren আছে, and it is number D, Narcondam Island. Okay, Narcondam Island and Barren Island. These two are the two volcanic islands of Indian territory, and Narcondam is a small volcanic island in the Andaman Sea. Andaman Sea obostito aru etu 710 meter above sea level rise koribo pare. Okay, and if we say about Barren Island, Barren Island o Andaman Sea obostito, duitai Andaman Sea obostito. Next question, among the Union territories of India, which one has the largest size? Options are given here. These are the options, and largest Union territory of India is, yes, it is number C, Puducherry or Pondicherry. Pondicherry buliyo koi nahale Puducherry buliyo koa hoy. So Puducherry or Pondicherry is the largest apunar ki hoy size wise jodi ami sao Union territory hoy. Okay, next, Duncan Passage kot obostito. Duncan Passage is situated between, options diya ase yate, and so Duncan Passage is situated between South Andaman and Little Andaman. South Andaman or Little Andaman or majot obostito. Etu Indian Ocean or eta strait hoy. Okay, Indian Ocean obostito South Andaman aru Little Andaman nor majot. It's a strait in the Indian Ocean aru about 48 kilometer yare wide hoy. Next, apuni map khon sale yare correct thuniake buji pabo. The 10-degree channel is between 10-degree channel kot obostito. Options diya ase keta, and these are the options. 10-degree channel is a channel kot obostito hoy. It separates Little Andaman and Car Nicobar Island. Okay, so Andaman Island and Nicobar Island, Andaman aru Nicobar ki kore separate kore 10-degree channel. Andaman and Nicobar কি কৰে সেপাৰেট কৰে 10-degree channel from each other in the Bay of Bengal. Bay of Bengal কি কৰে দুটাকে separate কৰে. Andaman and Nicobar is separated by 10-degree channel. Okay, the two sets of islands together from the Indian Union Territory of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. So দুইটা একেলগে আমি Andaman Nicobar বুলি কওঁ, but মাজতে 10-degree channel আছে. Okay, so এইটো হৈছে ইয়াৰ next option question the Lakshadweep Island ক'ত অৱস্থিত option দিয়া আছে এটা Lakshadweep Island কোনটো ocean বা sea অৱস্থিত yes it is situated in Arabian Sea. Okay, Lakshadweep is on Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar in Bay of Bengal. Which foreign country is closest to Andaman Island? Andaman Island or closest सबसे closest कोन to foreign country है and it is number B. Myanmar is closest to Andaman Island. Which state shares boundaries with maximum number of other states of India? Option दिया है and it is Uttar Pradesh. Okay, Uttar Pradesh shares boundaries with different other states of India. Like if you see total kimanta state or boundary share kore 9 states or boundary share kore like Rajasthan, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Delhi, then Uttarakhand, Bihar, Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh. Okay, বহুত কেটা total 9টা state or লগত কি কৰে boundary share কৰে Uttar Pradesh. Next, which state of India have the common border with Myanmar? Myanmar or a common border kuntu state kun keta state or ase and it is number A. Mizoram, Manipur, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh. A site state or ki ase Myanmar or hoje common border ase. The state with the largest area under Westland. First, let me tell you about Westland. Westland mane hose barren land buli koa hoy jitu unproductive land ba jitu banjar zamin buli koa hoy jitu zaminot কি নহয় খেতি বাতি বেছি নহয় কোনটো স্টেটত সবচে বেছি আছে obviously আপোনালোকে জানে Rajasthan is the place where we find largest area under Westland. Then which state has the highest percentage of scheduled caste population of the state's population and it is Punjab. So Punjabত সবচে বেছি SCs আছে scheduled caste আছে 28.9% scheduled caste ইয়াতে দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায় আৰু scheduled tribes যদি সবলে যোৱা সবচে বেছি মিজোৰামত আছে okay 98% scheduled tribes দেখিবলৈ পোৱা যায়. The Himalayan mountain system belongs to which one of the following? Himalayan mountain system কোনটো belong কৰে last classতে মই কৈছিলো young dash mountain আছিল এটা ইয়াৰ মাজত আছিল fall young fall mountain বুলি কোৱা so Himalayan mountain range fall mountain ত পৰে okay Himalayan mountain range belongs to fall mountains that form mainly by effects of folding on layers. Okay, layers fold kori pelai eneke fold kori pelai eneke layers bila ki hoy bonwa hoy a mountain by the effects of folding on layers within the upper part of the earth's crust. Hikane to fold mountain buli koa hoy. Oldest mountains in India sabse oldest mountain ki hoy and it is options diya ase it is number D Aravalli's ji hoy Aravalli range it we are oldest mountains in India buli koa hoy okay okay so it is located in Mount Abu of Rajasthan Aravalli range so Rajasthan Haryana Delhi Gujarat eguti keta state ot pore Rajasthan oto pore Haryana Delhi Gujarat egote ketate pore and a ranger para ulai ha rivers hoise Banas Luni then Sakhi and Sabarmati a bilak river yar para ulai ase Aravalli range and highest peak in the Aravalli range yar 5650 foot ase okay in Mount Abu of Rajasthan highest peak to ase then Guru Shikhar buli koa hoy highest peak to Guru Shikhar. Highest mountain peak in India. Highest mountain peak in India, obviously. You know it. These are the options and It is number A. Kanchenjunga is the highest mountain peak in India and ranked third highest peak in the world. Worldor bhitorot Kanchenjunga third ot ase aru India first rank ot ase aru yar uchchata hoise 8586 meter. Okay, 8586 meter aru the foot is about 28169 feet yar uchchata. And it is situated in the border of India and Nepal. India and Nepal or border of Avastita in the Himalayan range in Sikkim or Himalayan range of Avastita. Next, Arakan Yoma is the extension of Arakan Yoma is the extension of the Himalayas located in. So Arakan Yoma Himalaya extension hoy Kot hoy avasthita. Option tia ase and it is situated in Myanmar. Arakan Mountains buli koa hoy, also known as Rakhine Mountains. RAKHINE Rakhine Mountains. So our mountain range in Myanmar between the coast of Rakhine State and central Myanmar basin, and in which flows the Irrawaddy River. Irrawaddy buli eta river flow kore yate. Then the transport route connecting Kashmir from Leh crosses the highest mountain ranges at the which pass? Kunto passor majere ki hoy apunar transport route to connect kore Kashmir rock Lehor hoite. Option dia ase and it is number A, Pir Panjal pass. Okay, this transport route connects Kashmir from Leh, crosses the high mountain ranges at the Pir Panjal pass. Okay, so Pir Panjal range, also Panchala Deva buli koa hoy amar Hindu apunar ki scriptures or mote. Okay, so it's a group of mountains in the inner Himalayan ranges. So it is different passes are there like Rohtang La, Banihal Pass, Pir Ki Gali Pass, ebilak ase. Next question is, which mountain is not a part of Eastern Ghat? So these are options. Second option dia ase. So Eastern Ghator part nohoy kuntu mountain. Which mountain is not a part of Eastern Ghat? And these are options, and correct answer is number D, Annamalai Hills. It's not a part of Eastern Ghat. So the Sherawa Hills, Zawadi, Nalamala Hills all are part of Eastern Ghats. Annamalai is a part of southern India. Okay, so Eastern Ghats are a discontinuous range of mountains along India's eastern coast. So our India eastern coast ase ekhini area mainly ekhini eastern coast ot ekhini mainly apunar ekhini Eastern Ghat buli koa hoy. Next, Kodaikanal, the famous hill station of India, is located in which hill? Kodaikanal kuntu hillot avasthita, and it is located in Palani Hills. Okay, Upper Palani Hills, and it is 2133 meter. Iman yar ussata Kodaikanal, the famous hill station. Okay, it is located in the Palani Hills. Which one of the following is the most prone to earthquake? Earthquake सबसे बेसी कोट होगा पड़े in young folded mountains like Himalayas. याते सबसे बेसी earthquakes होगा पड़े. Vindhyas belongs to which class of mountains? Vindhya range जितु को है तो कौन तो class of mountain पड़े, and it also belongs to fold mountain type होते पड़े. The Himalayas are formed of parallel fold ranges, among which is the oldest range. सबसे oldest range की है Himalaya, और हेतु ऐसे the Great Himalayan Range बुली जितु को है हेतु ऐसे oldest range. Maharashtrian plateau is made up of lava. Which of the following mountain pass lies outside India? India outside of lie kora mountain pass to ki hoy, and that is Khyber Mountain Pass. Okay, Khyber Mountain Pass, it locates in Pakistan of avasthita. Pakistan aru Afghanistan or border or majot avasthita. Then Aravalli ranges example hoy ki hor already কৈছোৱে that is Fall Mountain or an answer হয় মানে example হয় জজিলা পাছে কি মানে কিহক কানেক্ট কৰে কোনটা জায়গা answer হৈছে লাডাখ আৰু শ্ৰীনগৰক কানেক্ট কৰে জজিলা পাস okay জজিলা পাছে কানেক্ট কৰে আৰু NH1 or মাজেৰে National Highway 1 or মাজেৰে turn Ladakh and Srinagar. The new alluvial deposits in the Gangetic Plain are known as alluvial deposits bilakok ki buli kowa hoy. So alluvial deposits are very fertile, okay, fertile deposits of soil. So it is known as number C Khadar. Okay, Khadar. It is known as Khadar. So Khadir or Khadar plains are those that are low lying next to a river. River or ekdom usorate thoka low lying ranges buli kowa hoy ba areas buli kowa hoy jot alluvial soil basically poa jay in the Gangetic plain mainly. So they are known as Khadar ba Khadir buli kowa. Very very important hoy eketa. So these areas are mainly prone to flooding and sometimes include portions of former river beds that become available for agriculture when a river changes course. So flood hoar chance yate besi thake Khadir area jihetu river or ekdom usorate thake but agriculture bahut besi bhal hoy jetia river e ki kore flood hoi joar pisot ba flood mane river e jetia range course to jeta change kore belek side e gutti koribole thare titia yar area tour jetu apunar fertility of the soil it becomes good and it is a Khadir aru eta ase Bhangar buli koha BHANGR Bhangar plains are more upland and consist of older alluvial soil yate etu upland ot thake aru yate ki hoy apunar alluvial soils bilak older alluvial soil mainly contain kore okay large parts of North Indian plains sot Bhangar soil poa jay North India large part of apunar Bhangar soil mainly poa jay aru Khadirot ki hoy younger alluvial poa jay Khadirot alluvial to jitu koha etu younger alluvial boli koy aru Bhangaror alluvial to hoise apunar older alluvial soil poa jay and Khadir jihetu apnar low lying ot pore river or hekane bahut besi ki hoy fertile hoy as compared to Bhangarot ke besi fertile hoy the famous Lagoon Lake of India ki hoy and it is number A Chilika Lake to apunar lagoon famous Lagoon Lake of India hoy okay so lagoons are stretch of salt water lake separated from the sea by a low sandbank or coral reef mane artificial pool or nisina jenikwa hoy thik tenikwa type ore hoy ei lagoon to hoy lagoon is a shallow body of water separated from larger body of water mane dangor water bodies or majot jetia ta horu water bodies thake etuke lagoon buli kowa hoy so sabse famous hoy India Chilika Lake jitu Orissa ase Sundarbans of the mangrove forest are found in so Sundarbanot mainly mangrove forest poa jay to tare kuntu area poa jay and that is deltaic West Bengalot poa jay mangrove forest next question the proposed sea route Sethu Samudram is a canal through which of the sea lands Sethu Samudram kuntu sea land or majere jay and that is Gulf of Mannar okay Gulf of Mannar or majere jay Sethu Samudram sea route it is a canal that passes through Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Mannar is a large shallow bay forming part of the Laccadive Sea in the Indian Ocean so the Indian Ocean or avastita and it lies between the west coast of Sri Lanka and southern tip of India Sri Lanka aru India's the southern tip ase yate Sri Lanka aru yate India yare major avastita hoy Gulf of Mannar mainly Tamil Nadu apnar location to hobo Tamil Nadu hoy mainly their location Then the famous Gir forest are located in obviously you know it, and it is located in Gujarat. And Gir forests are famous for Asiatic lions. Asiatic lions are kind of famous for Gir forest. Which city or town lies to the northernmost latitude? Options, and that is number B, Patna. It northernmost latitude avastito hoy. Which Indian state is a large of the as large as the European nation Austria? Austria saman hoy kuntu state? That is West Bengal khon jiman dangor Austria boli ekhon European country ase heikhonor samane hoy. Which city lies to the westernmost latitude? So easternmost latitude ami palo Patna aru westernmost yate hudise, and answer is Jaipur is westernmost aru easternmost hoise apunar Patna. Highest multi-purpose dam built on river Ravi. Ravi Nodit built kora dam kuntu hoy yare, and that is Ranjit Sagar Dam is built on the river Ravi. Main spice producer is, so India subsidiary spice jitu subsidiary spice code produce hoy, and it is Malabar coast. Okay, Malabar coast to produce hoy subsidiary apunar spices of India, Malabar coast, and it is the region of the southwestern shoreline of the mainland Indian subcontinent. So western Ghatot obostito Malabar coast. Like mainly on the narrow coastal plain of Karnataka and Kerala, এই দুটা স্টেটৰ মাজত mainly এই coast to lie কৰে আৰু ইয়াতে সবচে বেছি স্পাইস প্ৰডিউস হয় ইন্ডিয়া নাপ্পা ঝাকৰি পাৱাৰ প্ৰজেক্ট ক'ত অৱস্থিত আৰু that is হিমাচল প্ৰদেশ হিমাচলত অৱস্থিত নাপ্পা ঝাকৰি পাৱাৰ প্ৰজেক্ট largest irrigation area in India is occupied by so সবচে বেছি irrigation কোনটো মানে কোনটো crop production কাৰণে largest irrigation দিয়া হয় আৰু হেতু যে rice productionৰ কাৰণে সবচে বেছি irrigation লাগে which river is of India is called the Bridha Ganga বুলি কোৱা হয় option দিয়া আছে and that is number A Godavari river of Bridha Ganga বুলি কোৱা হয় the most important uranium mine of India located in uranium mine kora uranium mine ক'ত অৱস্থিত India and that is number B Jaduguda mine yate uranium mine poa jay and it is in located in Jaduguda village of Jharkhand okay Jaduguda boli ekhon village ase in the Purbi Singhbhum district kor hoy Jharkhandor avasthito and 1967 or pora India start hoise aru etu first uranium mine area hoy yate Jaduguda village ot hoy okay and 1955 ate yak discover kora hoisile and 67 or pora year start hoisile okay from where did India introduce the cultivation of tobacco tapioca pineapple so ebilakor cultivation kuntu country pora India start korisil answer hoise Pacific Islander pora India ki korisile এইবিলাক আপোনাৰ এইবিলাকৰ প্ৰডাকশনৰ আইডিয়াজ বিলাক পাইছিলে মানে ইন্ট্ৰোডিউস কৰিছিলে okay like countries like you can say like Fiji French Kiribati okay Marshall Islands New Zealand Palau এইবিলাক ধৰণৰ country আছে ইয়াতে Then which steel plant is not managed by Indian Steel Authority? Indian Steel Authority manage nokore kuntu and that is Salem rust resistant steel plant is not managed by Indian Steel Authority. Bokaro, Durgapur, Visakhapatnam gutigeta Indian Steel Authority manage kore. Which mountain range lies in India? Yare kuntu mountain range India ase and that is Pir Panjal India avastito baki keta India bahirot country bilagot avastito like this is in Myanmar and these two you find it yourself. Naga Khasi Garo Hills ক'ত অৱস্থিত option দিয়া আছে কেটা and that is obviously Purvanchal range ত অৱস্থিত in India the irrigation of agricultural land is carried out maximum by so mainly আমাৰ Indian irrigation to কিহেৰে হয় mainly that is number A canals এৰে হয় tribal community has no identified tribal community কোনটো ষ্টেটত মানে tribal community নাই and that is Delhi. It doesn't consist of tribal community. local tribal community jodi bahiror pora goi thakise hetu beleg kotha local nine the largest number of cotton textile mills kod ase and it is Tamil Nadu obostito largest cotton textile mill which of the following hydroelectric projects does not belong to Tamil Nadu and that is number D Idukki doesn't belong baki Kunde Periyar Aliyar all the hydroelectric projects belongs to Tamil Nadu Andaman and Nicobar group of islands is separated from each other by so already मैं कोइसलो एतो की है separate करे yes 10-degree channel है separate करे which district is on the international border of India international border kuntu district ase and that is a sarita bhitor Gorakhpur district is located on the international border of India Gorakhpur is a city of UP okay Uttar Pradesh Panjshir Valley kod obostito and it is in Afghanistan Panjshir Valley is situated in Afghanistan which river flows through a rift valley options are given here so these four rivers are given so kuntu river rift valley re boy jai so what is a rift valley basically rift valley is a linear shaped lowland between several highlands or mountain ranges created by the action of geologic rift or fault okay mane eta highland jodi ase aru eta lowland ase tare major eta jodi enikwa linear shaped or eta ki ase apunar well thai okoman ase hekhini koa hoy rift valley buli koa hoy it's formed on a divergent plate boundary and due to the extension or spreading apart of the surface etu aru efalor highland aru lowland separate hoar folot jikhini area majot thaki jay hinike rift valley buli koa hoy aru ei rift valley er majere kuntu river flow kore river Narmada flows through rift valley the longest river of peninsular India is Godavari hoise sabse longest river of peninsular India the Vishwavescharaya Iron and Steel Limited kod ase and it is in Bhadravati Vishwavescharaya Iron and Steel Limited okay so Bhadravati mane mainly etu apunar Karnataka obostito which kind of power accounts for the largest source of power generation in India largest source of power generation in India options are given here and that is number D thermal power is the largest source of power generation in India the Jawahar tunnel the largest tunnel in India is located in Kodavasita and it is in Jammu and Kashmir Singhbhum is famous for Singhbhum kihor kane famous hoy and already moi kolu apunar jitu Singhbhumor kotha kolu and it is mainly famous for apunar iron okay iron where is the integral coach factory situated and these are the options and it is Perambur integral coach factory is situated in Perambur so yate already moi je kole to apunar ei sarita bhitor apunar Singhbhum is famous for apunar iron hobo but actually itu uraniumot mainly yate poa jay Singhbhumot poa jay but out of these four iron is also available there where is the integral coach factory opposite and it is in Perambur okay integral coach factory is situated in Perambur and it is a district of it's a place of Chennai Perambur is a place of Chennai city of Chennai in which part of the India canal irrigation system is the most common canal joriyate irrigation kora system sabse common hoy kot and that is Uttar Pradesh the Indian subcontinent was originally a part of core part hoy Indian subcontinent originally a part of Gondwana land okay so Gondwana ল্যান্ডৰ পাৰ্ট হয় ইণ্ডিয়ান সাবকন্টিনেন্ট India is one of the largest producer of manganese ore in the world along with. So India world of manganese production of largest position hold kore. Aru yaar hote belek country ase. He country is Brazil and Russia. So Brazil, Russia and India largest producer of manganese in the world. Where are toads found? Options are given here. Toads found. Todas are some group of people, Dravidian ethnic group of people live in the Nilgiri mountain of India, and your answer hobo number B, Tamil Nadu. Okay, Todas Dravidian architecture kot poa jay south ot poa jay. So the Dravidian ethnic groups hoy bilak. So Tamil Nadu jot poa jay Todas buli eta like you can say it's as a tribe buli apuni kobo pare. The pilgrims of Kailash Mansarovar have to pass through which river to enter to Tibet? Tibet enter koribole ki Kailash Mansarovar pilgrims bilake ki pass par hobo lage options dia ase and answer is Nathula pass to par hobo lage. India's most prized tea sabse dami tea kot poa jay and it is number D Darjeeling ot poa jay West Bengal. Which canal is located in West Bengal? West Bengal ot kuntu canal ase yare and that is Eden Canal is located in West Bengal. Which West Bengal shares boundaries with how many countries? How many countries of country boundary share kore? That is 3 countries. Wettest place in the world? Obviously Mohsin Ram. Khyber Pass kot ase India. Khyber Pass kot ase obviously it you already koiso Pakistan ot obostito Khyber Pass. Which of the following passes lie in the Sutlej Valley? Sutlej Valley kuntu obostito kuntu pass and that is Chipkila A2 pass Sutlej Valley obostito. Sex ratio mane ki? Sex ratio refers to woman per kiman hoy per 1000 male 1000 ta purukhor biporite kiman goraki female ase hetuye hoise apunar sex ratio buli koa hoy. Operation Flood kihor hoite jorito and it is located Operation Flood is related with Operation Flood is related with milk production or hoite jorito. In terms of area, India is the largest country of the world. Kiman number hoy area wise India world bhitorot 7th largest country hoy India. Baltora Glacier kot obostito Baltora Glacier Karakoram range ot obostito hoy. The product of onion is the highest in subsidy onion kot poa jay obviously Maharashtra poa jay. The first cotton mill kot obostito hoy India. These are the options and correct answer is yes, it is Mumbai. Okay, so first cotton mill was established in Mumbai on 7th of July 1853 by Kosaji Nanabhoy Davar and his associates. World's maximum newsprint comes from kuntu forestor pura poa jay news jibilak ami newspaper pau production core pra mainly deciduous forestor pura poa jay. The first shore based modern integrated steel plant and that is Visakhapatnam steel plant is the first modern integrated steel plant. Largest proportion of its net irrigation area under well irrigation or joriote irrigation kora hoy kot Gujarat. Okay, Silicon Valley of India boli kuntu city koa jay and it is number D Bangalore koa jay Silicon Valley of India karon yat sob bahut IT ase. Okay, industrial technology ase information technology ase yate bahut information technology. Okay, like California data Silicon Valley boli thai ase tate bahut beshi ki hoy apunar information technology bahut develop hoy. So tar comparison at Bangalore khonako Silicon Valley boli koa hoy India. Slash and burn A2 কি হয় slash and burn কি cultivation or kuntu method হয় খেতি করার it was a shifting cultivation যেটো আপোনাৰ like ঝুম কাল্টিভেশ্যন যেটো হয় এঠাই পৰা আনঠাইলৈ যেটো কৰা হয় হেতু স্ল্যাশ এন্ড বার্ন বুলি কোৱা হয় ম্যাক্সিমাম পেট্ৰোলিয়াম ক'ত পোৱা যায় and it is offshore Bombay Height পোৱা যায় Geological Survey of India ক'ত অৱস্থিত and it is in Cuttack Orissa home of Alfonso Mango Alfonso very important questions emila Alfonso Mango home ক'ত পোৱা যায় सबसे বেছি and it is Ratnagiri পোৱা যায় Alfonso Mango okay Ratnagiri city and Ratnagiri is a port town in Maharashtra so here we get more maximum amount of Alfonso Mango a high growth rate of population is characterized by high population যেতিয়া growth rate to high হয় তাৰ মানে কি হয় birth rate বেছি হৈছে सबसे বেছি আৰু death rate to কমি গৈছে so obviously ইয়াৰে আপোনাৰ number b2 হ'ব high birth rate আৰু low death rate which state has the lowest area under forest सबसे कम area forest আছে কোনটো state answer is Haryana only 1586 km is in under forest tiger state of India বুলি কোনটো state কোৱা যায় and it is Madhya Pradesh of tiger state of India বুলি কোৱা হয় the wild as বনৰীয়া গাধ ক'ত পোৱা যায় answer হৈছে run of Kutch যেটো আপোনাৰ গুজৰাট তাৰে run of Kutch পোৱা যায় বনৰীয়া গাধ the maximum concentration of scheduled caste population কোনটো প্লেনত পোৱা যায় SCs already কৈছো পাঞ্জাবত পোৱা যায় that means Indo-Gangetic plains হ'ব এটো answer the longest irrigation canal सबसे longest irrigation canal কোনটো হয় আৰু হেতু হৈছে Indira Gandhi irrigation canal is known as the longest irrigation canal blue revolution কিহৰ হৈতে জড়িত and it is with fish production very important question then which of the following is not a kharif crop কোনটো kharif crop নহয় options and answer is number D which is not a kharif crop sugarcane rice cotton all are kharif crop okay and wheat grows in rabi season so etu apnar wheat to rabi crops poribo in India like wheat or logote apnar barley mane jitu season kharif season ot hua crop bila kharif crop buli koy jane sugar cane rice cotton ebila mainly apnar ki hoy jetia rain jetia hoy mainly apnar winter rainfall jetia hobo tetia mainly ebila hoy winter season ot mainly and apnar yar ebilakor kane wheat barley mustard peas sesame ebilakor kane besi nalage rain nalage so ebilakok rabi season ot grow kora hoy and mainly these are grown rabi crops are grown at the end of monsoon or beginning of winter season arambhoni ba monsoon jete শেষ hobo tetia grow kora hoy okay next is which is considered as cash crop yare kuntu cash crop buli koa hoy wheat maize onion gram kuntu and answer is number A gram is considered as cash crop so cash crop mane ki hoy crop produced for its commercial value rather than for use by the grower mane june grow kore yak mainly bikri koribor karone grow kore commercial value to besi yare sell koribor karone jetia besi koi grow kore rather than keeping with himself or mane consumption koratke bikri korar karone grow kore those crops are known as cash crops okay for example you can say gram coffee ebilak to aru june produce kore ghorote rakhi na thai iman khabor karone so bikri kore tea or you can say sugar cane also you can say cotton all these are cash crops Bhilai steel plant was built in collaboration with kar hete collaborate kori Bhilai steel plant modwa hoise answer is Soviet Union which district is on the international border of India and it is Karimganj district Tala hydroelectric project which generate 1020 megawatt power for the Avastita and answer is Bhutanot Avastita then India exports iron ore mainly to kak mainly India iron ore export kore Japan of mainly kore highest dam of India kuntu dam highest dam buli koa hoy and it is Tehri Dam. Okay, Tehri Dam. Tehri Dam of India is it is located in Uttarakhand. Uttarakhandor Avastita Tehri Dam. It is known as the highest dam of India, and total capacity is 4.0 kilometer cube. Next, and its height is, if you can say, that 260.5 meter height hoy yare or 592 meter length hoy yare. Okay, India lies in dash hemisphere. Kuntu hemisphere lie kore? And answer is northern and eastern hemisphere lie kore. Which state is irrigated by Ganga Canal? And these are options. It is number B, C, Uttar Pradesh. Ganga Canal জৰিয়তে irrigate কৰা হয়. So 100টা question আগবঢ়ালো, যিমানখিনি পাৰো আপোনালোকক ইয়াৰ সৈতে জড়িত আনুষংগিক কথা কিছুমান কবৰ চেষ্টা কৰিছো, যিবোৰে আপোনালোক বস্তুখিনি বুজাত লগতে মনত ৰখাত বেছি সহায় কৰে। আশা কৰিছো আপোনালোকে মোৰ এই প্ৰচেষ্টা আদৰি ল'ব। যদি কিবা ভুল ভ্ৰান্তি দেখিছে প্লিজ মেনশন কৰিব কমেন্ট সেকশনত। আৰু যদি আপোনালোকে ভিডিওটো চাই ভাল পাইছে লাইক কৰিব, লগতে কমেন্ট কৰিব, শেয়াৰ কৰিব, সাবস্ক্ৰাইব কৰিব। পিডিএফৰ কাৰণে টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেল জয়েন কৰক। টেলিগ্ৰাম চেনেল আমি আপলোড কৰিয়ে আছো, পিডিএফ বিলাক পাই যাব। ওকে, সো আপোনালোকে যি কোৱেৰিজ আছে কমেন্ট সেকশনত জনাই দিলে মই আনন্দিত হ'ম। থ্যাঙ্কস ফৰ ওয়াচিং দ্য ভিডিও। হ্যাভ আ নাইস ডে।